Imagine a quiet spot deep in a lush forest where sunlight peeks through the trees, painting the ground with golden light. You can hear birds singing and leaves rustling in the gentle breeze. Being there makes you feel connected and full of energy, like every breath fills you with life. In this peaceful place, all your worries disappear, replaced by a deep sense of calm and new beginnings. It's a place where you feel completely in tune with the nature's rhythm. Phander Valley is located in Ghizer District of Gilgit-Baltistan at 10,990 feet above sea level. And this valley is situated at a distance of 167 km from Gilgit city. Phander Valley is famous for its most beautiful and attractive valleys, lush green fields, deep blue lakes, and the river flowing across it, which is commonly called Little Kashmir. Phander Valley sounds like a picturesque gem. The combination of lush green fields, deep blue lakes, and a flowing river definitely makes it deserving of the nickname Little Kashmir. It must be a breathtaking destination for nature lovers and adventurers